Life Residential is pleased to present this fabulous 3-bedroom apartment on the 15th floor of Lincoln Plaza. The apartment boasts a sleek, modern design combining both style and functionality. The property has 2 large bathrooms, one as an ensuite and the other for communal use in the hallway. This open-plan living area is ideal for fine dining or just hanging out with friends. Whatever you do, you will do it in luxury in this fantastic apartment. The living room leads seamlessly to the kitchen area, allowing for easy access to the many high-end facilities. Lincoln Plaza is located a short walk from South Quay DLR station, making for direct lines to Canary Wharf and the Jubilee line. The apartment is close to numerous restaurants and the buzzing activity of the financial district. With its beautiful style and location, this is the perfect home for you.